Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. If you're a fan of classic design fused with modern innovation, then today's video is going to blow your mind. We're talking about one of the most iconic American classics ever made, reborn for a new era. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air, and it's not just a car, it's a tribute to history with a bold leap into the future. Let's dive right in. The original Bel Air is a symbol of 1950s Americana, big chrome, sweeping curves, and unmatched presence. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has taken that soul and wrapped it in modern engineering and electric power. Yes, the Bel Air is back, and it's all electric. Let's start with the design. From the very first glance, the 2026 Bel Air commands attention. It keeps the two-tone paint job tradition alive, with bold colors separated by classic chrome accents. The front grille is a modernized take on the original, featuring a wide, horizontal layout with thin LED strips integrated into the headlamp design. The iconic hood ornament. It's back, but now it lights up. From the side, you'll notice the classic fins reimagined with sculpted aerodynamic lines and integrated taillights. The signature wraparound windshield, pillarless windows, and wide whitewall-style tires pay direct homage to the 50s version, but with today's sleek execution. Underneath that retro skin is an electric heart. The 2026 Bel Air rides on GM's Ultium platform, featuring dual electric motors, one for each axle, delivering all-wheel drive and around 480 horsepower. It's not just for show, this thing can move, with a 0 to 60 time of just 4.6 seconds. Not bad for a car that looks like it belongs at a vintage car show. With a 100 kWh battery pack, the Bel Air offers an estimated range of 320 miles, making it practical for long drives and weekend cruising. It supports fast charging, getting you from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes at compatible stations. So whether you're headed to a classic car meetup or a modern road trip, the Bel Air can handle it. Step inside, and you're greeted with a perfect blend of retro and digital. The interior features chrome trim, vintage-styled gauges, and leather bench seats, but everything is updated for comfort and technology. The dashboard hosts a curved OLED touchscreen that merges the driver's display with infotainment controls, featuring navigation, smartphone integration, voice commands, and more. Ambient lighting adds a sophisticated glow, and the classic Bel Air badge is proudly displayed across the passenger side of the dash. There's even a simulated column shifter, just for nostalgia, but gear selection is handled electronically. Tech lovers will appreciate features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, a 360-degree camera, and driver assist features like lane centering, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and hands-free highway driving via GM's Super Cruise. Chevy didn't just recreate the Bel Air for nostalgia, they re-engineered it for today's lifestyle. There's ample trunk space, a front storage frunk, customizable ambient lighting, and even a drive mode selector that includes cruise, sport, and retro, with unique digital sounds mimicking old-school version 8S. Pricing starts around $62,000, and Chevy is also offering a limited Heritage Edition, complete with exclusive color options, gold badging, and a serialized dash plate for collectors. So the big question is, has Chevy created the perfect balance of classic design and modern performance with the 2026 Bel Air? Would you drive one of these electric legends, or are you still holding out for the rumble of the original? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you're loving this mix of vintage and future, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more epic revivals, car tech, and trend-setting rides. Until next time, stay classic, stay current, and keep riding the car trend wave. Oncoming car high voltage fire.